Hey guys, welcome back to Spanky's Hot Rods and Customs. Today we're back on the 409 Impala doing some custom tricks to it. You're not going to want to miss it. Challenge was to get the pod cluster, whatever you want to call it, fitting the metal portion of the dash overlay. I don't see any light anywhere around it. And guys, this took just a little bit of time. Now on the bottom here, this is all purposely done. I'm gonna build some new trim. It's gonna be really cool. Sure, not how I'm going to attach everything yet. The overlay that goes inside here behind the gauges will be engine turned. This will be body color. I'm thinking about doing the bezel on the outside, the bronze of the engine, because there's going to be a few more accents inside. If I do that, that means this piece has to be completely separate from this piece. We're still going to access this to get back in the back to see and service the master cylinder. I got to bond this piece to the dash and some more modifications. Stay tuned. All right, there it is in the car. No daylight. And then there's the brake cylinder back there. I've just got to be able to get fluid to them. Now you can do it from under the dash, but it's not as easy. Won't be that big a deal. We'll figure something out. All right, because I had so many questions and so many requests, I decided to put a set of gauges in here so that I could answer some of those questions. Now, I've got some trimming to do because of the gauges and the original part of the dash. Some of the gauges I can't turn because I didn't trim enough off. And of course, the holes that I drilled are for clearance on the gauges, so they're a little larger than normal. The actual size of the gauge holes will be in the engine turned aluminum panel. But I hope this gives some of you guys an idea of the direction that I'm going on this dash. It gives it the old school look. Gauges are easier to read than the Impala gauges, and we dare to be different. We're only halfway there. Dare to be different, get out in the garage and go build something. See you guys in the next episode.